I'm so happy. Oh my god. Do you guys see these? Do you guys see this bag? Hello, 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 everybody. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm in such a good mood right now. I'm looking a little raunchy. My hair's yellow. My eyebrows are gone. I have no makeup on. I don't care. So this is probably already going to be a pretty long video, so I'm just going to make this intro super fast. So long story short, for those of you who don't know me, hello, my name is Carla with a K. God, I said that so attitude-y. So I am a professional makeup artist. I've been in the industry professionally for about 8 or 9 years, and I have not bought makeup for myself in so long. I only buy makeup for my kit, and my personal makeup, oh, it is so humiliating. Everything's expired. Everything's gross. Everything's so old. I'm literally running out of everything. This morning when I had makeup on, I was scraping my foundation out, and I was like, oh my god, I can't live like this. This is awful. So I went and splurged a little bit, and yeah. So I ended up going to TJ Maxx, Ulta, and Morphe. And I just was like, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna grab whatever I want and just replace everything. So maybe in the next video I'll do a cleaning out my makeup drawers, because oh, they're so gross, they're so unorganized, and they're so dirty, and the makeup in there is disgusting. And yeah, actually I don't know if I want to do that because it's humiliating, but we'll see. Anyway, so if you guys want to see what I bought, because honest to god I completely forgot what I bought, so this is going to be a surprise for you and I both, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start with the TJ Maxx stuff. Putting a disclaimer out there, because I know there's going to be people that are like, don't shop at TJ Maxx and Marshalls and all those other stores because the makeup, who knows how long it's been there. I get that. I bought this at my own discretion, at my own risk, and if it burns holes in my skin, so be it. So, anyways, moving on. Okay, I'm so excited. And honestly, half this stuff, because TJ Maxx and Ulta are right next to each other where I went, and a lot of this stuff was already being sold at Ulta, and I went to TJ Maxx first, and then I saw it at Ulta, and I was like, that's expensive, because we bougie, but we broke, okay? So, I don't even know where to start. I'm so excited. Okay, let's start with these. So I got a bunch of Too Faced stuff. So these are the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Twinkle Twinkle Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow, and I got these colors. Honestly, I don't know how to do a haul video, so I guess I'll try to unbox and just show if it's worth it. But these are liquid eyeshadows. Oh my god, gorgeous. So there's a gold one and a pink one. There's this one. This is like pink with gold reflux. Oh my god, so pretty. Okay, moving on. So this is a Too Faced Tutti Frutti Comfort Lip Glaze in Plum Crazy. This is such a pretty color. Got some sparkle to it. Ooh, and then I also got another one in Who Gives a Fig. I thought that was so funny. And it's just like a really dark plum. Alright, so also by Too Faced, I got the Fresh Glow Setting Spray. Oh, there's a ball in here. I wonder if there's like gold flakes. Huh. I will try all of this stuff later because it is 10 o'clock at night. Hence why I just got out of the shower. And I was going to wait to do this till tomorrow, but honestly, I really want to start using this stuff tomorrow. So I was like, you know what? I might as well just look like a scrub and do the review or do the haul like this. This is the Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer. Ooh, so it's like a bronzy gold face primer. I don't really use primers that often, but I'm trying to dabble a little bit more. And then the Do You Fresh Glow Did I buy the same thing? I think I bought the same thing, but it's mini and it's like a lighter gold. Okay, and then I also got the Tutti Frutti. There's a lot of Tutti Fruttis with Too Faced. The Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo. I already own one of these and they smell so good. Oh my gosh, they smell delicious. And I love, because like I said, I don't have acrylics on right now and my fingers are little nubs. I love the packaging on the corner, how you can just pop it open and oh my gosh, they smell so good. It is a little bit too like pinky, cool toned, and dark for me. But just because it's blush doesn't mean you can't wear it somewhere else, like eyeshadow or wherever. All right, moving on. I got Fresh Glow Translucent Setting Powder by Too Faced. I think it's just like an illuminating setting powder. And then I also got this Sparkling Pineapple Eyeshadow Palette. I love their packaging. Oh my god, it smells yummy. It smells so good. So these are the colors. So pretty, so pretty. And then I also got the Razzle Dazzle Berry. Ooh. This is the packaging on this one. God, those colors. So pretty. It's a very light fragrance, if you guys are wondering. It's not strong at all. I don't think it's going to bother you. Unless if you're very sensitive to fragrance, but realistically, it's so light. And then the last thing I got from Too Faced, which they're selling this at Ulta right now, and it's definitely a little bit pricier, because I paid, this was $22.99 for TJ Maxx. And it is the Watermelon Slice Face and Eye Palette. Honestly, I just thought it was so cute. Oh, it's a watermelon. So we've got the, let me open it. Oh, shit. Forgot how pretty these were. The eyeshadows. And then we have the blush and highlight. I love a peach shimmery blush, so this was a must-have. So that was everything for the Too Faced collection. So moving on to the rest. So I have a few palettes from Anastasia. And I know all of you are probably like, oh my god, Carla, these palettes came out a long time ago. We broke and we bougie. Bougie but broke. It sucks. Welcome to my life. Anyways, got the Alyssa Edwards by Anastasia. This was $19.99. Pretty good steal. And I did open all these before I bought them, just so I could actually make sure that they were clean and good quality. Oh my god. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. God, I am so excited to play with makeup. Okay, so we got that one, and then we also got the Anastasia Riviera palettes. This was $15 marked down compared to $20 million. Oh my god, I love the feeling of this. It's like fabric-y. Oh, I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Got this palette from Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution is sold at Ulta. I love Makeup Revolution. It's so good for like drugstore, I guess. This is the Mermaids Forever palette. Ooh. They're a lot smaller than I was expecting, but I also don't really know what I was expecting, so. But they're pretty. They're very pretty. Also, sorry if I'm talking really fast and going through these. I personally can't sit still and watch a YouTube video that's like 30 minutes long, so I'm trying to make my stuff straight to the point. Alright, so we have Stila Liquid Eyeshadows, the Fourth Dimension. These were $16.99. I also grabbed, these were $7 more of the Stila Liquid Eyeshadows. I love these. I have so many of these, so when I saw them at TJ Maxx, I was like, oh my god, 'cause I paid full price for all mine, which is fine. Okay, and then I also got, this was $3.99. This is e.l.f. Make Me Match. It's a like foundation adjuster powder that you're supposed to put into your foundation, your liquid foundation, and it's supposed to mattify it. So I've seen Urban Decay had one, and I really wanted to try it, but your girl's broke, so I never tried it. So that seems fun. I also got by Becca, which these retailed $44, I believe, because I saw them at Ulta. These were $8.99. Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. I got Noisette and Ivory just because Noisette was a little bit too dark on me and Ivory is way too light. So I just, for $8, you can't beat it buying two of them and just mixing them. And then I also got, I've never heard of this brand. It's called Color Co. This was $5.99. Pressed Pigments. Ooh. So shiny. Also by the same brand, this is the Royal Pressed Pigments. Oh. And the last bit of actual makeup I bought from TJ Maxx was the Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetics. This was also sold at Ulta, but at TJ Maxx, $5. Honestly, I only bought it because of like these two colors. I just thought they were so pretty, but I don't know, it's cool. Who doesn't love astrology? And the very last things I got for makeup was just a random mascara because I need mascara, and this Cover FX glitter drops. This is, so pretty. So satisfying. Ooh. Okay, so like I said, that was it for actual makeup from TJ Maxx. So all this other stuff's just kind of like random, like skincare stuff. So I got some micellar water, because why not? This is a Sculpt Collagen Caffeine Facial Serum. I don't know. I liked it. The packaging was cute. The color's cute. I bought it. It was $6.99. Why not? A rose quartz roller, so I can treat myself, because I love face masks, and it's so sad. I'll literally take my fingers and be like, trying to massage my face. So yeah, finally said, screw it, $9.99, I'm buying it. These I thought were cute. These were just giant hair clips. You know when you're waiting in line at TJ Maxx and they have all that crap? Yeah, well, they swindle me in every single time, and I bought it. So there's that. I also bought aromatherapy herbal soap, vanilla orange. Honestly, I don't remember ever grabbing this, but it's mine, so $3.99, whatever, I'll take it. Some razors, because honestly getting these razors at TJ Maxx or Marshall's or whatever is like the best deal. So I love them to shave your eyebrows, but honestly I don't shave my eyebrows. I literally don't have eyebrows. I just shave my little baby hairs up here because I don't like them, so it's good to have those. I also got Clean and Clear Morning Burst just because I saw it, and so many people ask me what I use for my skin for face wash, and honestly it's this brand. So I'm cheap. When your girl can afford to get bougie expensive stuff, then we will. But for now, we ballin' on a budget. I also got 24 karat gold metallic peel off mask and a rose gold metallic peel off mask, so I can feel like I'm so expensive and rich. But in reality, they were both $4.99. Nutri-Vitamin C Anti-Aging Nourishing Night Cream with Collagen, made in Italy. Sold, don't need to tell me more. $4.99, sold. It's just a night cream. This is like a science experiment. I was just so intrigued by Chichen Itza's pyramid. If y'all never been to Chichen Itza in Mexico, go. It's amazing. Anyways, it is a health and beauty Aztec secret. $9.99, Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial, deep pore cleansing with an exclamation point. I'm sold! All right! And you're supposed to mix it with like water or apple cider vinegar. I don't know. Stay tuned for this one. Also just grabbed some makeup wipes. You know, they're cheap. $3.99, because I like to throw these in my gym bag. I don't really use these to actually remove my makeup anymore. I like to just throw these in my gym bag when I go to the gym, because sometimes I do work out with makeup on, and sometimes it feels disgusting and I need to just quickly scrub my face. So I just like to have those. So that was everything, I believe. Yes, so that was everything from the TJ Maxx haul. So moving on to Ulta, let's go. All right, so from Ulta, let's start, I don't know, let's just start anywhere. Okay, first of all, I got a Mario Badescu Hyaluronic Eye Cream. This is the one I always use. Love it. This is by BH Cosmetics, trending in Tokyo. Look how pretty this is. Ooh. By Juvia's Place, we got the Zulu palette. Ooh, they got bubble wrap on here. Nice, I like that. Okay, so here's the packaging. Love Juvia's Place packaging. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I use her concealer, which I also bought here. I'm in shade 20 Magic Concealer. Her concealer, hands down, best concealer I've ever tried in my life. Oh my gosh, I literally can't talk. Tarte Shape Tape is pretty dang good, but I think I have to say Juvia's Place is better because it is a little bit more hydrating and it has a little bit more, it's a little bit more malleable, and literally you need like one drop. It's freaking insane. So I also got the Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's Place. This, I got it because the packaging was so pretty, and the colors are gorgeous, so oh my god. Okay, moving on. All right, so by Morphe, I got the 351 Icy Fantasy. I just love the packaging. It's all about the sizzle, not the sazz. Remember that. Ooh, so pretty. And then I also got just a setting powder by Morphe, the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. I'm in color light medium beige. I used to wear this foundation a few years ago, and it is honestly, it's so good. The only reason why I stopped was because again, I started investing my money into other things for my career rather than myself, and I just stopped wearing it because it's like $44. But it's so good. It's got like a moussey texture, and it makes your face so matte because I'm so oily. And it's just, I love it. It literally stays on for like 12 hours. Also by Juvia's Place, I got the Heroin Loose Powder highlighter. God, oh, what am I trying to say? Anyways, let me open it for you guys. This stuff is insane. Alright, I also got by Juvia's Place the Velvety Matte Foundation because I heard great things about it, and after trying their concealer, I was like, oh my god. We also have here the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in Disco Daydream. I have the purple one, so this is the silver one. So pretty. But yeah, like I said, it's like pure glitter. So I also grabbed a NYX pore filler because I use this stuff all the time. It's awesome. If you got big pores like I do, it's like caulking your pores. It's just, so it's nice. Oh, I was going to buy it either way just because of the packaging, again, because I'm such a stickler on packaging. However, the eyeshadows were gorgeous. Let me show you guys the eyeshadows first before I show you the packaging. It is by Makeup Revolution. Okay, so here are the eyeshadow palettes, or the eyeshadow colors. Pretty. Now wait for the packaging. Are you guys ready? Oh! It's like a jelly thing. Like it's filled with glitter and water, and how freaking cute is that? Oh my god. I love it. I love it so much. They had a lavender and a pink one as well, but I really liked the eyeshadow colors in here, but oh my gosh, it is so much fun. Okay, for the final bag, this is from the Morphe store. Just to let y'all know, I had to drive like 40 minutes because I was all the way up here in Illinois, and I had to go all the way down here just to go to the Morphe store, and they were out of everything I wanted. I was so sad. And I don't want to order some of the stuff online because shipping gets really expensive. So yeah, I'm so excited. I finally got the Blue Blood. I've been wanting this so badly, so I finally got it by Jeffree Star. Do I even need to show it? Probably, just in case, because there could be somebody who has no idea what this palette is. So, just really quick. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. Boom, baby! Gorgeous. Oh, the P. Louise base. I didn't know they sell those at the Morphe store, so I got the 0.05 and 0. The 0.05 I'm actually going to give to my mom, because I already have that one. I just wanted a pure white one. Also got the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. So pretty. I will say Ofra did a really good job at making this feel very, very luxurious. And the last three things, I just got some Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. I got Crocodile Tears, Blue Velvet, and Scorpio. Okay, I don't know where I left off because Bay called. I wanted to get a lot more, but like I said, they were out of so much, so that was kind of a bummer. And like I said, I don't want to order them online because shipping is so expensive, and it's just like $10 for shipping could be $10 of like food. So that's my way of thinking. Is it logical? I don't know. I don't care. Thank you guys so much for sticking around if you stuck around the whole entire video, because like I said, I tried to make it as quick as possible, straight to the point as much as I can. But yeah, so if you guys want to see me going through all of my makeup and decluttering, go ahead and leave a comment or thumbs up. I'll probably do it anyways. I don't know, we'll see how messy it is. I'm looking at a few of my drawers right now and I'm like, oof, I don't know if I want to show those off on camera, but we shall see. So thank you guys so much again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!